Welcome to video number 254 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. Before we go further, I should apologize for the long absence on my part on YouTube and also in Instagram, messages and everywhere. It was a very difficult phase of life that I had to go through, and in fact it still is, but I'm in a way asking your help to keep me engaged in this learning journey. So ask questions, learn, get clear of your doubts. So we'll travel again together in this learning journey. And for those of you new to this channel, our Instagram is Learn Tamil 1 and our YouTube channel is Learn and Speak Tamil, or simply type Learn Tamil 1. So to join us in the Telegram chat and to chat with many other learners like you, so please send a mail to learnandspeaktamil@gmail.com. English words with a twist. So we can call it Tanglish because they are English words, but we use them with a different meaning. Tamil, English, Tanglish. So you'll hear a lot of them as people speak, and we can see a couple of them today. The first word is assault. It sounds exactly like the English assault. Assaulta is effortlessly. Assaultane is effortless. Now we are talking about the superstar actor Rajinikanth. And I heard someone saying after watching one of his recent movies, எவ்வளோ கஷ்டமான ரோலை அசால்ட்டாக பண்ணியிருப்பாரு. This means casually, effortlessly, so just so gracefully, easily. So he had done that difficult role so effortlessly, nonchalantly. So I'm sure you understood it well. அவ்வளோ கஷ்டமான ரோலை அசால்ட்டாக பண்ணியிருப்பாரு. இதெல்லாம் அவருக்கு சும்மா அசால்ட்டான விஷயம். This means it is just a easy peasy child's play for him. இதெல்லாம் அவருக்கு சும்மா அசால்ட்டான விஷயம். But this can also have a slightly negative meaning to it sometimes. நான் கேட்குறேன், அவன் பதிலே சொல்லலை, என்ன அசால்ட்டு? Means I was asking him and he did not answer at all. So what a carefree, I don't care for you attitude. So this has to be understood according to the context. The next word is risk. It's not the same as in English. Even I was confused when I heard people say this because I never heard it earlier. So this means it seems very recent to me. So the meaning of this Tanglish word is to make extra effort. So just imagine the lady on the phone. She's telling to her friend who is dutifully cooking, let him tidy up the house. Why do you strain unnecessarily? So you know that negative friend who is creating that problem between this lady and her husband. வீட்டை அவன் சுத்தம் செய்யட்டும், நீ ஏன் தேவையில்லாமல் ரிஸ்க் எடுக்கிற? So this means why do you strain yourself? It is not that English, seriously risky, life-threatening job. No. It's just why do you put unnecessarily a lot of effort? So even just today I heard this from the person who repairs my building. So for a patchwork in a place high up on the wall, he said, இது ரிஸ்கான வேலை, 4 பேர் வேணும். I first thought it's prone to riskiness because the person might fall on lack of support, and hence he's asking for more people to hold. But then I realized, no, he meant it's a painstaking job or a job with a lot of effort. So even I get confused every time. The last one, the classic one, the word repair. It can mean to go out of order, a non-working condition, or to get back to a working good condition. So you have to really understand by the context. Thank you so much to all of you for watching these videos. So please subscribe and join the small community of learners in the Telegram. And let's travel together again. Take care, Vanakkam, and bye bye.